I'm Caleb, and I'm gonna be grading 4 potatoes and I'm gonna put this grader on this plate and grade 4 potatoes and put them in the water. So here I go.
So what are we making today?
Hash brown for tomorrow afternoon.
I thought we were gonna have it for breakfast.
Oh yeah, breakfast.
Yeah, so welcome back to my channel. We're making hash browns for a veggie breakfast tomorrow. And we've just eaten dinner, haven't we?
Yeah.
Had your bath because you had a rugby tournament today, didn't you?
Yeah, tackle rugby tournament. It was good today.
Yeah.
I had a nice bath now. I'm cozy in my dressing gown and my army shorts and army pieces.
Okay.
Best things about homeschooling is I get to cook all the time.
You like cooking?
It looks like, yes, it looks like cheese.
Figs. What's your favourite thing to cook, Caleb?
Making cake, salad, making veggie salads, fruit salads, some healthy stuff, you know. All of it's healthy, but you usually like pizzas and that. They're all from KFC and Domino's and that. But they're just not places where you would want to be. Because I've been there before. I didn't even that was going to go to KFC, but then we opened the door, there was so many rats outside. We didn't go out. And then we saw it at McDonald's, a person, there's a wetwood floor, right, and there's the bun. She wipes it on the floor, right, and then she can go and serve it. Or someone else
saw that
can
on one of the
serve it.
YouTube videos that Grandma put on, didn't you?
It's just ridiculous, that.
So you like making your own pizzas and...
Yeah, the wedges what we make here are even better than the ones in England, in Morrison's. I remember that shop, but I kind of remember everything inside the shop. But I'm just grading this. I'm already halfway through this potato, so let's go finish. Too fast.
Yeah, you're eating a fig, neighbour.
How's that? Yeah, nice.
Can I get your Caleb?
Can I have some water, please? Drink my please.
You're doing a good job. So if we put some of them potatoes in this water now, what you've done already, can you put it in there?
Okay, we'll put this one in.
Yeah, it's alright, I'll wash it. Yay. Can you see all...
So I mix?
You can mix it, yeah.
Wait.
Can you see that it's starting to change colour a bit?
Yeah.
So keep going, and then we need a bit more potatoes, alright?
Ooh, Caleb.
Right. So we're gonna make a flax egg now. Hi. All we have to do is with a flax egg is get a bit of water. I don't even know how much. I'm just gonna say probably 2 teaspoons of water, and I've got a teaspoon of this sprouted flax. And it acts like an egg. Yeah, but you can use it for all sorts of stuff. So I'm just getting this ready just so I did not. So it thickens up, ready for our hash browns. We're ready to cook them. Okay, we're gonna get this muslin, right? And we need to, can you get a clean bowl or something so that we can put all this potato that's squeezed out somewhere, Caleb, yeah?
Like a bowl?
Like another bowl in the cupboard down there.
Oh yeah.
So we just get the muslin or like some, cheesecloth. And you want to squeeze all of the water out. This is quite thick, this. Right, can I have that, please? And then, I'm finding it hard to do this with you sat on my knee, neighbour.
Can I do some now?
We're making an absolute mess here, right? You put some in.
Somebody's making a mess.
Yeah.
Somebody's making a mess.
I cut up some onions, red onions in.
Can you put some in my hand next?
Do you want to squeeze it?
Oh yeah.
You've got to really squeeze all that water in there.
I'm gonna put powder in.
That's flour, isn't it?
Flour? I'm gonna put some flour in after.
All that water.
And look, a teaspoon.
So we're gonna do this, and then I'll come back.
Big flour.
Yeah, you've got black coming all over your face. Our flax egg, I ended up putting in another tablespoon in. Oops, I'm making a right mess because I'd put too much water in. So we've got half a cup of flour here, well a little bit less than half a cup, what Neva's going to put in. You want to put in, Neva? Just sprinkle it all over. So that's going in our dried potatoes.
Should I mix it up?
Do you know, we're just guessing at this. How many potatoes did we put in? They're all different sizes.
Okay.
And then we're going to put our flax egg in to bind it. No arguing, guys. Hey, come on.
Mix.
Wait. Neva can mix in a minute. And then I would say that we're probably going to put in only about a teaspoon or two of this paprika and pepper just to make it a bit, I don't know, give it a bit of extra flavour. So we'll sprinkle that in. And then, like, you go and you mix it all up. Like, so there it is. Neva's just going to mix it. Go on, Neva. So this was supposed to be a proper recipe, but we've not even like cut down what we've done. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and put these, we've mixed everything together, haven't we, Neva?
Yeah.
And then I'm just wondering whether do we make individual ones, or should we just make a big massive one and then chop it up and then fry it?
Can I do ones?
Individual ones.
Into triangles.
It might be difficult to do triangles though, eh?
No, just round ones. There
Okay, so
right, I'm picking some.
I'm thinking what we're going to do is bake these, and then tomorrow morning we will fry them. So if we can get them about that side, you really need to press them together so they all stays together, all the potato. Okay, babe?
It's into.
Because what do you think is going to happen if you cook it and it's not all squashed together? What do you think will happen?
Not good.
It'll all fall out on the oven, won't it? In the oven.
Oh, this looks good. Mum, is this falling out?
Like, look like that. Really squeeze it together. There we go, like that.
I squeeze it up.
Yeah, keep going, squeezing it a bit more. Like that. Watch, Neva.
What's this? This side.
Are you excited about trying these for your breakfast tomorrow?
Wow, yours is even better than mine. Look at mine.
That's awesome. So we're just going to do these, and then we're going to put them in the oven. And I've just made this recipe up, so I don't know what it's going to taste like, but we'll put them in the oven probably at 220 for, I'll say 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then I'll check and see what it looks like.
What's his name?
Then, like I said, tomorrow I think I might fry them, even obviously it's not the healthiest frying them, but you know when you have hash browns and they're really nice and crispy, I'm really after that taste. So
this one?
okay, so they're coming out nicely. Get all the hash browns done. We're going to put them in the oven now. This is a pizza tray with parchment paper. This is a cake parchment paper that I've just flattened out. So I'll put them in. I've got it on 200 actually. So I've just took them out of the oven, and I'm just literally going to just flip them over. As you can see, they're not browning up because we've got no oil on. So I'm going to, like I said, they are pretty much cooked, but tomorrow when they've cooled down, obviously, that's when I'm going to fry them in some oil, and then we'll see that they're all crisped up. But they smell really nice so far. That one's stuck. So I've turned them all over. So we'll be cooking them in the morning. Some coconut oil in a pan.
Whoever finishes.
And I'm going to...
Should I mean, whoever finishes. No, mine's not going to be good for a long time. Whoever finishes.
Hopefully they can all fit in. They don't look appetizing right now, but they will when they cook. The cooking, they really don't look appealing, but hopefully they'll taste really nice. Here are the hash browns done.